So here's another clever demonstration of Newton's laws. So here's a metal sphere with quite a bit of inertia, right? What I'm saying is it has a lot of mass. If I measure the number of kilograms, there's no doubt about it. If it has a lot of mass, then it's also going to weigh a lot. So the two quantities are related, but they're not exactly the same. Anyway, I want to reveal to you something about the mass, something about the inertia of this object. So you can barely see it, but there's a black string here. And if I just hang this, that force created by gravity isn't enough to exceed the maximum tension in the string, but it's close. It feels like it's probably somewhat close to its breaking point. So here's the trick. I have this handle that also has some of the same type of string on it. And I attach it to the hook on the bottom. Now, I'm going to grab that handle and pull in the downward direction. The question I have for you, I want you to write down your answer. As I pull down, at some point I'm going to exceed the maximum tension that the string can provide. So my question is, does the bottom string break or does the top one break? Now hit pause and write down your answer. Okay, let's see if you got it right. Ready, set, go. The bottom one. Did you say the bottom one? All right, now the reason the bottom one broke in that place is actually that I pulled really quickly. It's very much like the pull the tablecloth out from under the china trick. If I were to pull slowly, then I wouldn't be accelerating the object a whole lot, and then it wouldn't require a lot of tension in the string, but I didn't. I pulled really quickly, and that would require a big acceleration, or that would produce a big acceleration, which would require bigger force, but that's more force than the string can apply, and so the bottom one breaks. This time, I'm going to try to make the top one break. So it really depends on how much acceleration I'm trying to produce. Now if I pull slowly, what happens is the acceleration I'm trying to give it and also the weight of the object means the tension in the top one is going to be greater than the tension in the bottom one. So with a slow pull, it's the top one that breaks. So think about that and see if that reveals anything to you about the nature of Newton's laws and the concept of inertia.